I'm Andrew.
I'm Kevin.
Welcome to Brojects.
Our little argument of yesterday is long forgotten.
I know you're coming in for a jab.
We're kind of joking, laughing around. Nobody's nose is out of joint anymore.
I'm more of a gunfighter.
Obviously.
Hey, you're a backstabber. Want to do a little limbo? Whoever loses has to wear the coconut bra. Really?
You're on.
I'm in trouble. Are you a limbo champ or something?
I am, man.
You're up first. You ready for your coconut bra? Come on. Oh, hey! No. I saw
did not touch
finger.
it, man. So I slayed Junior in the limbo bat.
He was standing awfully close to the limbo bar, and it looked like he flicked his finger.
He thinks I cheated. I didn't. That hurts.
I will give you that.
I thought about it, but then I didn't need to. He just couldn't get under that first limbo bar,
I was bouncing too much.
and now he's in the bra.
And here's what you get to wear.
Lovely.
Eh? I decided to make a better one.
It's gonna go something like this. And I'm gonna fill them up with a tasty little beverage. It'll be a drink for Kevin and I.
How do you like them coconuts?
He's supposed to wear this authentic Caribbean coconut bra. He's gonna try to get out of this. It's nice that you kind of made yourself a little thing here.
I'm not only taking care of me.
He tried to skirt the rules of the competition on the bra challenge.
Because
man,
I
that's
didn't
not
agree to
it.
be humiliated.
You're supposed to wear the bra we played for. If you don't have any honor, that's your problem.
Look at me. Do you think I have honor?
I don't understand why he wants me to wear this coconut bra. He's got some demented fantasy about me in a bra.